Literally, it would cost you nothing or a bare minimum of around $40 to start affiliate marketing. What's up, people? What's up, people? What's up, people? Welcome to my channel. My name is Angela, and today we are going to be talking about affiliate marketing for beginners using Pinterest. Now we're going to talk about everything affiliate marketing, how to start affiliate marketing, where to put your links, how to promote your links, why you should start affiliate marketing, how you're going to get paid, and things to look for when you're starting to get into affiliate marketing programs. So let's jump. So why even start thinking about affiliate marketing on Pinterest? For starters, is that it has the lowest cost of entry. Can you imagine? Literally, it would cost you nothing or a bare minimum of around $40 to start affiliate marketing. Can you imagine that? There is no business out here that doesn't cost you any amount of money to start. Even YouTube needs you to set up a camera, a background, and lights. You get what I mean? But affiliate marketing really doesn't have such high barriers to entry, and that means it's easy to start up. So if you don't have any startup costs, you can really dive into affiliate marketing. And I'm not even kidding, guys. The second thing is that you can gain passive income right at the comfort of your home, meaning that you can work from home. So if you have a kid like me, I have a 5-year-old son. He is the world to me, and I know that I love spending time with him. So working from home because of making money from affiliate marketing is really a good thing for me. So if you're a mom, or you just want to spend time at home, or you're just tired, and I mean tired, of the 9 to 5 work, well, this is the time you can do it. You can start affiliate marketing. So before we kind of dive into this whole affiliate marketing issue, let's kind of talk about some of the definitions that I'll be talking about throughout this video, so that you don't get confused or you don't ask, what the fuck is she talking about? So affiliate links are basically links that are generated by the brand or the company that has basically put you on board as an affiliate marketer to their product. That means they're going to generate a link for you, and if a client clicks on that link, then you're going to earn a commission if they buy something from that brand. But in case they don't buy it, there's a cookie duration. A cookie duration is basically the duration a brand will give you to convert a specific customer that comes to their site with your affiliate link. So for example, if I'm a client and I come to you as the affiliate marketer, and I click on your affiliate link, go hop onto the brand's website, check their stuff out, and then I pop out of there, and then 3 days later I go back through another link or just directly to the website and I buy something, then you are going to be the one and only person who's going to get that affiliate commission. Now, the reason why you should look at the cookie duration is that if a cookie duration is longer, then you have a higher chance of converting your customers or your audience into a commission. Right? If a cookie duration is 7 days and a client hops into the first day and then comes back 8 days later, you're not going to get paid your commission. And we don't want that. We want you to gain as much commission as possible, guys. So please, if I talk about any of those two definitions, you know what the hell I'm talking about. So yeah. Now, with that out of the way, and now you kind of have a clue of the things that I'm going to be talking about. So how do you really start a successful affiliate marketing business on Pinterest as a beginner? So the first things first is that you need to choose an audience. I mean, if you cannot choose an audience, then you're basically going to be recommending the shit ton of things out there. So you don't want to do that. You want to choose an audience so that you can pick their pain points. And then once you're able to pick their pain points, then you can start looking for products or services that can be able to cater to those pain points. But before you do that, you're going to be looking through a whole junk of products, and you're not going to be able to understand what your audience needs or what you're trying to sell, because you can choose one product or a couple of products. But if you're not able to nail these two things down, you're just going to have a whole lot of products that are not going to be selling, because one, you're not going to know who you're selling to, and two, you're not going to know what these products are going to solve and whether or not these people that you're selling to are actually interested in those products. Finally, I can tell you for a fact that once you find the products that you want to recommend, you want to try and use them, because it's really quite difficult to sell products that you haven't used. You're not going to answer questions like, how does it look? Or how does it feel like? Or what does it do? Or what are the settings? You want to recommend something that you have already used. Can you imagine recommending a salon to your friend and then she goes there and has her hair done like the worst way? The credibility that you're gonna have is gonna go plummeting, like whee, boom. You know what I mean? So you don't want your credibility to be thrown out the window by your audience. You want them to be like, oh wow, this girl or this guy knows what the hell they're talking about. Anytime they say something is good, guarantee that that thing is the best you're ever gonna find. You don't want to be like, oh well, you're getting stuff recommended by that girl, the one who says shit is good and then it turns out to be bad. Well, I think you have your priorities wrong. I don't want to be that. You don't want to be that as an affiliate marketer. So you need to be precise and be sure that you try this product. And if you're not able to try the product, don't recommend it. Do not. Especially when you're starting out, don't recommend it. As you get bigger and as you grow, you can be able to start recommending products that you're not using. But as a beginner, you really want to try out this product. Alright, now we've gotten that out the way. So where do you actually find these products to recommend to your audience? So you can either choose two ways. The first thing is to either go with their affiliate marketing programs, which a lot of people do, and I wouldn't recommend if you're starting out as a beginner affiliate marketer. When you're starting out, a lot of these programs, they have prerequisites or requirements that you need to fill out. Like for example, JB Zoo will not give out will have some programs that depict that you need to have at least 50 sales for them to allow you to join their program. So if you're starting out, I would recommend going to individual affiliate programs. So I'm a Pinterest VA and I help businesses and business owners and coaches run their systems, help them with Pinterest, and I see them launching a lot of courses that have affiliate links or affiliate programs that allow any type of affiliate marketer to join. But with the affiliate programs, you have to have a website and you have to have X amount of traffic and you have to have email marketing and all these things. And when you're starting out, you really don't have all these things set up or set in stone. So if you're thinking about being an affiliate marketer as a beginner, you should literally look for single based products that have affiliate marketing programs on their own that don't depend on affiliate programs or sites like CJ Affiliates. Basically, what I want you to do is go on Google like this and search for whatever it is or whatever topic that you want. And basically what's gonna show up is a whole bunch of things, and you can choose any affiliate marketing program from there. And I would suggest that you go with basically courses, because courses usually sell out really quickly on Pinterest, because a lot of people are going on Pinterest to either learn or to be taught through tutorials. So courses are the #1 way to drive affiliate sales through the roof if you're starting out. So let's get back. So now let's get down into the juicy stuff. How do you promote the affiliate links? How do you actually make that affiliate link get seen by a lot of people? Now, there are a lot of places that you can promote your affiliate links to, but because you're starting out, I really just want to talk about Pinterest, because with Pinterest, you really don't have to have a lot of equipment or a lot of investment into it. So you can do two routes. The first one is get a free blogs, and then the second route is without a blog. Now that's the one I'm going to be talking about today. So if you don't have a blog or a website and you just want to promote your affiliate links directly on Pinterest, one thing that you need to know is that Pinterest allows affiliate links on their platform as long as you are able to let other people know that that is an affiliate link or that it is an ad. So you can put something like hashtag ad on your description just to let people know that that is an affiliate link. And that way you're gonna be properly disclosing that that is an affiliate link. It's a really simple method. It's not going to take you a lot of time, but if you're trying to do it the right way, you're going to follow onto this affiliate marketing tutorial that I kind of prepared beforehand. So let's just jump right into my screen. Now, the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to be able to go onto your Canva site. If you don't have Canva, this is the time to start it up. They have a 30-day free trial, which you can use their fonts and you can use their backgrounds and photos, which is going to help you scale up really fast that traffic. So you're going to go on there and you're going to start creating a pin. Now, Canva has a lot of Pinterest templates that you can choose from, and today we're just going to use one of the Pinterest templates. Now, once you choose one of the Pinterest templates, you're going to go and start creating your pin based on the product that you're selling, and then you're also going to include your audience's pain points. Now, remember when we were starting out, I talked about choosing an audience and making sure that you understand their pain points. Now, this is the place where you're going to apply that. Now, you've finished creating your pin on Canva. It's time to publish it on Pinterest. There are two ways to go about it. You could either do it manually on Pinterest itself, or you could use a scheduler. Either way works, but I prefer using a scheduler because it's easier for me to keep repeating the same pin, and it will be able to give me the perfect results that I want to. But if you don't want to use a scheduler, or you don't have the money to use a scheduler like Tailwind, all you could do is just go onto the Pinterest platform, and then you could schedule out your pin to go out at different intervals. So for example, I'm gonna use the route where I'm just gonna go onto Pinterest and let myself schedule it manually. So here it goes. So the first thing I'm gonna do is upload my picture, and when I'm uploading my picture to my laptop, I have to make sure that it has the keywords that I want that particular pin to rank for. Then once I put it on Pinterest, I'm gonna write out the title, and the title also has to have the keywords that I want that pin to rank for. Then I'm gonna create the pin description. Now you want to let people know, or you want to let your audience know what that particular pin is going to lead them to. So you want to let them know that it is a course. You don't want to mislead people, because guess what? You can be shadow banned on Pinterest. If somebody reports your pin as being misguiding, then you're going to be shadow banned. Your account is going to be shut down as spam, and you don't want to be marked as spam on Pinterest, because they're literally going to shut you down. Your pins are not going to be seen. Now that kind of marks the end of our time together. I really hope you enjoyed this content, and if you want to help me keep creating such content, just hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel. I keep saying that, but I'm new to YouTube. What else am I gonna ask for? More subscribers. So yeah, if this kind of content was helpful, kindly let me know what to do. You can find my handle at MIW for you. That is make that shit work for you. So yeah, I'll see you on the next one.